Hardeep Puri has slammed Pakistan, stating that Pakistan has been using terror as an instrument of state policy for as long as he can remember. These statements coming from Pakistan, they need to get their mental situation checked. Listen into what he said.
देखिए, पाकिस्तानी चैनल्स तो ये है कलेक्टिवली उनको अगर रिमोर्सली ये दे हैव बीन यूजिंग टेरर एज एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी नाउ फॉर एज लॉन्ग एज आई रिमेंबर। मुझे याद है जब मैं लंदन में पोस्टेड था 1999 और 2002 के बीच में, उस समय भी उनका एक वो बीबीसी का हार्ट टॉक है, उस समय मैंने कहा जब पार्लियामेंट पे अटैक हुआ था ये लोग करते हैं। अभी ऐसा है कि पहली जो हमारी सरकारें थी मोदी जी के आने से पहले वो थोड़ी सी नाराजगी करती थी, फिर बातचीत शुरू हो जाती। इस बारी क्या हम करेंगे दैट इज नॉट फॉर अस हियर टू स्पेक्यूलेट। वी हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रांग मैच्योर गवर्नमेंट, वो सही निर्णय लेंगी। पर मैं आपको बात बताता हूँ, ये जो बेवकूफ़ी की स्टेटमेंट वहां से आ रही, ये नहीं होगा तो वो हो जाएगा। उनको अपनी मेंटल सिचुएशन चेक करवानी चाहिए। इस बार कोई टेरर के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होगा। ये सिर्फ मोदी जी का अपना नहीं, उनकी सरकार का, देश के 140 करोड़ जो हमारी जनसंख्या है उनका।
Mehndi or the Chalakasuni, many strong statements coming in from leaders across spectrum, and Hardeep Puri has spoken about this peddling of lies by Pakistan, which has been their systemic response over the last several decades.
Well, indeed, Mega Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has strongly criticized Pakistan, and we just heard him accusing it of using terrorism as an instrument of state policy for as long as he can remember. And also his comments came amid heightened tensions following the recent terror attack in Pahalgam. And after that also, various statements are coming from all the leaders, all the political leaders across the spectrum. And also now we just heard Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri taking a drive after this, terror attack. And also while giving this statement, Hardeep Singh Puri also said that Pakistan has been using terror as an instrument of state policy, and governments before Prime Minister Modi expressed some anger and then returned to normalcy soon after. But, Hardeep Singh Puri showed his trust that what the government will be doing is not for us here to speculate. And now, a mature and a strong government has come, and now, a fight back will happen, and this government will reply in a very stronger way to Pakistan. And also responding to the recent remarks made by Pakistan, Hardeep Singh Puri has said that the stupid comments and statements coming from Pakistan, they need to get their mental situation checked, and also stressing that India would not tolerate any further provocations. Mega.
Okay.
Hardeep Singh Puri also asserted, yes.
Okay, all right. Thanks for giving us those updates. Now, the Indian Youth Congress members have protested outside the Pakistan High Commission.